Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Chuvis World here! Welcome sa aking channel. So in this video guys, actually ang video na makikita ninyo sa susunod ay tawag dito, na ipa-play ko pala after ng daldal ko at after i-greet ko yung aking friend ay noong May pa. So ayan, so quite a long time na. Ngayon ko lang naisip pang na-upload ito. At saka para na rin mapanood niya yung mga kaganapan sa birthday din niya at may remembrance din siya sa kanyang birthday. And also, she is a very special friend of mine kasi nga sobrang matagal na kaming magkaibigan niya guys. Si Aiden, mga tawag dito, wala pa siyang 3 years. So mga more than almost 8 years na kaming mag-friendship niya. Tapos, gusto ko lang ding mag-thank you sa iyo, Gwapa, for being so generous to us, sa aming lahat. At saka, thank you for always spoiling my kids. As in, guys, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga kayo ni Jan and Kenneth. And thank you, Gwapa, for having us sa birthday mo. Sobrang nag-enjoy kaming lahat. As in, grabe, Gwapa. Daghang salamat kaayo sa pag-invite mo na mo og daghang salamat sa mga lamian nga mga pagkaon nga imong gihanda para namo. Grabe gimingaw na gyud ko nimo. I hope nga mag-get together na pud ta puhon kasi nga di ba na tayo dili na ta lockdown dire, so i-message ti ka puhon kung ano sa ka pwedeng mag-catch up. And ayun, gimingaw gyud ko nimo pa. Thank you, and happy birthday. I hope you had a wonderful birthday sa birthday mo, and I wish you many more birthdays to come, at stay healthy always. I love you, Gwapa. I really miss you. So yun nga guys, sa noong May pa ito, so how many months ago na? June, July, August, September, October. So na pala, 5 months ago. So si Welo, 5 weeks pa lang sa video na ito. Kaya makikita ninyo na super liit pa ni Welo. At saka, sobrang napaka-spoiled na bata guys. Kasi nga new baby, tapos siya lang yung new baby doon. At ayun na, spoiled na babaita kasi nga, I'm so thankful na ang daming gustong magkarga sa kanya ba. Tapos, ayan, at saka ina-upload ko ito kasi nga remembrance na din para sa aking little Welo at saka sa aking friends. So, enjoy guys! Hi everybody! Kumusta kayong lahat? Chuvis World here. So, today is the 22nd of May and then we are heading to my friend's ang dumi ng suklay. My friend's birthday. Tapos dala ko yung little one ko, si Welo and Blake. Ayan. Say hi. So, ayan, wala pa akong suklay kasi medyo a bit late na. It's the party start at 12 and then now it's 12 past 12. So, I'm always late, guys. So yeah, at least a lovely day today, and then magsuklay lang ako, and then we should be there in about probably less than 10 minutes. Malapit lang naman bahay nila. So yes, we will see you there. A helmet balloon? So this one here, turn right. We are nearly there. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-brush ng aking buhok. So, as in, ang bilis lang namin. Tapos nagpa-drop lang ako sa aking asawa kasi hindi pa man ako pwedeng mag-drive. So, it's still about 2 weeks to go. I will be able to drive na kasi nga, cesarean, we cannot drive for 6 weeks once you are cesarean. So, yes, it's too hard. We won't be able to drive kasi mahirap talaga maglakad-lakad, grocery, hindi makapag-grocery. Kailangan mag-bus, mahirap mag-bus kasi nga minsan ang bus namin dito mayroon siyang steps. So kailangan ko pang i-fold yung pram, ganon. So kaya yun, nagpa-drop lang ako. So yes, excited ako magpalit siya ng aking amigang Gwapa for her birthday. I'm very excited. So yes, we're nearly there.
Mom, where is he read?
Yes. So we are here. Oh my god, look at your face. You didn't wipe it.
I didn't.
Yeah, that's okay. So we are here now. Ayan na yung bahay nila, guys. Oh. Ayan na yung bahay niya. Kami pa lang ata dito ay merong nakapark na sa likod namin. Pero ano tawag dito? Meron nang nakapark. Tapos pero hindi ko alam kung sinong car yan. Hindi yung mga iba kong friend. So yan, papasok na kami. I-draft off lang ako. Kami ni Blake.
Come on. Wow.
Okay, let's go, Blake. Quicker. No, we don't need the pram, Baba. Thank you.
How many like you?
We just open. We go straight there. Ay.
That's alright. That's alright.
Hello, thank you for dropping us. Here's my baby girl. Hello. Hello, how are you? Any visitors yet?
No, it's just my brother's here. Oh, look at the little one.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Ha? Wow.
This one.
Hey, may biko, yeah. Ang sarap. Pakulong.
Hang on, Mum. Wait. Don't.
Flip it over.
Wait, Mum. Wait. Come here. What are you doing, Mum?
Alam ko gusto mo akong tulungan dito, pero mag-video-video.
Be nice to just... You look at the
Kaya mo yan, T.
No, flip it over.
Come here. Break your back.
Ay.
Johnny back, you're gonna break your back.
Yay. Nice one.
2 heads better than 1? 3 heads. 3 heads a piece.
Wow, may bronze.
I know, it was given to me, so why should I say no, you know? It was like,
Paksiw na yan.
I'm gonna give it to you. Oh, wow, why not?
Body, stop, smile.
Birthday girl.
One more.
Dice.
Yes!
1, 2, 3,
Dice.
Right before we sing happy birthday.
In English.
In
English. In English. Yeah, Tagalog daw. Happy birthday to
Ano ba itong I rise to you? Happy birthday to you. Just happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Heidi. Happy birthday to you. Nag-meet na tayo, di ba noon? Dito. Picture natin kagawa. Okay lang siya. Na-miss daw niya daddy niya. Finally, going home. It's too dark. It's too dark. inabot kami ng gabi, as in it's now 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock na. Yeah, it's bedtime, as Blake said. As in, we really had a great time. Sorry, it's too dark here. Wala akong lights. Ayan, much better. So yes, we had a great... grabe ang laki ng lechon. It's so yummy. Yeah, it's much longer. Blake, it's there in the back. It's too hard to see. It's too dark. And Velo is in the back. So yes. Yeah. And then now... Yeah, very dark at the back. It's already dark. Oh, it's only 6 o'clock. Oh my goodness, you can't even see me. Yeah. So here, look at that, all the lot. Still very busy. Oh, lots of cars. Still lots of cars. Going ang aming windows. There we go. We're going home.
Hi, Tita Heidi.
See, we miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, true food na. So, ayan guys, yun lang yung mga kaganapan sa video na, ay sa, anong tawag dito, sa birthday ng aking friend. Tingnan nyo si Hewelo, si Hi. Diba, ang laki na niya ngayon guys, compared to, tawag dito, compared sa nakita nyo na video. 5 weeks pa lang siya sa video na yon. And then now, she is halfway to 1. Yeah. Ang cute. Ang cute naman bata. Say hi everyone. Say mag-subscribe naman kayo please sa aming channel. Say yes. And then thumbs up. Say, can you thumbs up, be? Say thumbs up. Say play, ayun nga guys. Say hi tita. Say hi tita Heidi. Say hi tita Heidi. We miss you, Tita Heids. Mag-catch up tapuhon with our other friends. Ayan, shout out sa lahat ng aking mga friendship dito sa Canberra. I hope you're all keeping well. Girl Hershey, Jo, ayan, Team Kiker, Di Angeline, Diarina, at iba pa. Ayan, ang dami kong friendship. Sino pa bang hindi ko nakalimutan? Tawag dito. Basta lahat ng mga friend ko dito si Canberra. Tara, nagkita-kita na yung ating mga dyan. So, yun na guys, i-end ko na ang video na to kasi baka sobrang mahaba na. As in, sobrang nag-enjoy kami guys that time. And by the way guys, by that time, medyo masakit, medyo malaki pa ang aking lamp. Pero hindi na siya masyadong malaki. Diba? Tapos, tingnan nyo naman, ang big girl na Tapos, ayan. Tapos, mamula-mula pa siya doon. As in, very new baby pa talaga guys. And then, ngayon, big girl na siya. So, yes, matagal na namin hindi nakita din ang kanyang tita Heidi. No, baby, no? Si hi, Tita Heidi. Ayan, ang aking friend na ang aking Gwapang Amiga. Tawag dito, nag-attend din siya ng baby shower at saka sa aking gender reveal. So, yun na guys ang aking video. Thank you, everyone. Bye! Magkita-kita ta sa sunod nga video. Amping mong tanan. See you later. God bless. Bye!